Good evening, everyone. It's a lovely evening here in Princeton, New Jersey. I'm on my way to have a hopefully great dinner with my wonderful, lovely daughter, Sydney. And as you could probably hear, the cicadas abound. The sound, cicadas. And I thought on this evening, what the heck, why don't I try something different? Shake things up, so to speak. So, I am going to eat a cicada. I have to find one first. Where is that cicada? Here we have the cicada. Real live cicada. Now, viewer discretion is advised. I'm looking around for people. Viewer discretion is advised. The other thing to be aware of here is that this is a crustacean, a land crustacean. So there is some genetic similarity to sea crustaceans, e.g. lobsters and shrimp. So if you're allergic to shrimp and or lobster, you should not eat a cicada. There's a cicada on Sydney. I will gently remove that before we proceed. So here we go. A little crunchy. Not much of a taste, sort of like I won't say fishy, just sort of crunchy. Full of, I feel the protein. Whoa, I'm feeling strong, and that's it, folks.